Ever uploaded a video only to realize there's a little too much dead air or mistake you want to erase? Let's dive straight into refining your YouTube content using its powerful, yet simple, built-in editor to trim those unwanted parts. First, head over to your YouTube studio from the left-hand menu. Click on Content, find the video you want to edit, and then click on the Editor option. You'll be taken to the video editor. The most crucial part here is the timeline, which visually represents your video. To trim, we need to use the Trim and Cut tool. Click on the blue Trim and Cut button. You'll see two blue handles appear on your timeline. These are your trimming controls. Drag the left blue handle to the exact start point of the section you want to remove. As you drag, watch the preview window to ensure precision. Next, drag the right blue handle to the end of that same unwanted section. The area between these two handles will be the part you're cutting out. You can play the video with the preview function to see exactly how the trim will look. If you need to make adjustments, simply drag the handles again. Once you're happy with the trim section, click the Save button in the top right corner. YouTube will then process the changes, which might take a little time depending on the video's length. Your video will be updated with the trimmed content, making it more concise and engaging for your viewers. And that's it. You've successfully trimmed your YouTube video using the built-in editor.